Hey guys, Okana here. I'm going to show you a couple of trades, more than a couple of trades, actually two or three breakout trades, and a correlation trade, currency correlation trade on EURUSD. So let's start with the USDJPY here on the bottom. You see I have the 1 minute chart. If you look at the 5 minute charts first, you see price is heading down. So my first approximate target was this region here, or rather this line here, and then the moving average. So I had a target and we were waiting. You see here price is making some highs and lows and then dropping. So the same thing happened here. You got the tight range here, the highs. So I connected the lines, I waited, and we got a breakout on this candle closing here, and then the next one opening. Or I executed the trade. I went for the remaining time of the 30-minute candle. If you go to the 30-minute time frame, you will see this happen before, price getting pushed down and then the 30-minute candle dropping down. So I went for the remaining time of that 30-minute candle at the time. But you can also use previous highs and lows here and previous similar breakouts for that expiry selection. So we can see it fell all the way down. You can actually see it here. The entry was 442, which is approximately here. Remember, the broker's price differs from my entry, so approximately here somewhere after this candle closing, after this red one. So you can see here, and you can see where it closed, so about 5 or 6 pips in the money. And this other one is the EURUSD trade, 6 pips in the money. I'm going to show you that too. So why did I take the EURUSD trade at the same time? Because I saw we have currency correlation, negative correlation. So one is falling, one is rising, and the breakout happened. So I thought that this is broken, it's going to fall. So that means EURUSD should get up. So this was purely, the EURUSD was purely based on correlation. I mean, a better entry for it not using correlation would have been waiting here for it to break and then taking it at the beginning of this candle. But then the problem is you want to have one candle closing in your favor, and this would have been very far up, so you would have lost a lot of leverage entering up here. So actually my entry was not that bad. I entered here on this candle actually. So this was the correlation trade when the USDJPY started falling here, and I executed this trade, and I executed this trade when I saw this candle closing up. And as you can see, it went against me a little bit, but eventually it closed on this candle here, the 30-minute candle on this one as well. So I went for the remaining time of that 30-minute candle because I was going for the end of the 30-minute candle on this one. I did the same on this one to close bullish towards the target. This is the target. I was actually making a double top. You see here the 4-hour time frame double top. So this is multi-time frame analysis. It's important you'll check different time frames. So even though I was trading 1 minute and 5 minute time frame, I knew what the target was based on the 4-hour time frame. So you always need to change your perspective to see what's going on. So a 6 pip winner on this. So my first trade on EURUSD was actually here. So I was hoping it would reach the target, and so I could take a put option there, but it didn't. Instead, it broke this trend line you see here. So I got a 5-minute entry. Why? Because again, you can use previous data to see why. So that was the first and the currency correlation trade, and now this is the one I'm in currently. Got a few minutes left. I took a put here when I saw that the target was reached. You can't expect it to just go on forever. We don't know that. Resistance held, and then we got this trend line getting broken, so I went for another put. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 trades here with the USDJPY. I also had another breakout on the Aussie actually. Before it was a little bit slow, this one, and I started here when this candle closed below this trend line. I entered, and it expired actually on this one. So about 15-20 minutes on this one as well. So good trades today so far. I hope you liked it. If you want to trade together, join the Common Traders Live Skype group, learn all these techniques, and trade together. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.